Okay, guys, so the next feature that we're going to explore is the join groups function. So I ran a search for some groups I may be interested in joining, the software developers group. And so what I'm going to do is, and what I recommend doing is, for if you want to join groups, you can do it. You can do it with the software, but you can only join 50 groups. So I would recommend, instead of using the software, just picking 50 groups that you want to join, and you can use the software to do it, or you can do it manually because it's only 50. It won't take much time. So, but I'm going to show you how to do it with the software. And what I would really say do is, unlike Facebook, where you can belong to 6,000 groups, since you only have 50 that you can join, you really want to pick and choose very carefully, and make sure that it's something that it's actually relevant to whatever your project is, and just make sure you're very specific, and it looks like a group where you'll actually have some productivity from being a member of that group, because you can only join 50. But like I said, I also said, if you want to join 50, download the members, leave those groups, join 50 more, download the members, leave those groups. You can do that as well. So it's up to you. But just some kind of words of advice. So what I would do is just start by the number of members and sort your information so that you at least look at the ones with the highest number of members first, so that you can see exactly what the scope of what you the range of people that you'll be able to connect with. So what I would do is eliminate the ones that I don't want to group, and just leave the ones that I do want to join. Did I say don't want to group? Anyway, so okay, so let's see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to comb through this file. I'm not going to sit here and have you watch me. But for the ones that I don't want to join, I would probably just delete those rows, since I'm not going to join them, because I can always run this search later, and actually just save it to a different file name. So I'll save it as, it's called software developer groups. I'll save it as software developer groups to join, so I don't mess up my original file. And so now I can eliminate the groups that I don't want to join, and only keep the ones that I do want to join for when I upload it. So I'm not looking for anything having to do with any jobs. Not interested in that. So eliminate that. And so what I do is I'm going to just pause this video and come back when I have the groups that I want to join. And so you'll see, and then I'll show you how the join feature works. So I'm going to pause it, come right back. Okay, guys, so we're back, and I came up with a list of 16 groups that I have an interest in joining. And once it got down to about 24 members in a group, everything below that was under 24, so it wasn't worth the time to really go down through those small numbers of groups. So I'm gonna show you what to do now. It's really very simple. You're just gonna upload this file and click join group, and it's going to join the groups, and you can set the timing settings if you want. You're only joining at most 50, so it's not really a big deal on on this module, but it is there available. So you can set the total number of groups you want to join, the delay between joins, so how much rest it takes between each join, the number of joins before it takes a break, and how many minutes your break is going to be. So we're going to go to the groups, join groups module, and join groups is activated, and it says upload your list of groups to join, and click the start button. So we click OK, and we're just going to upload that file that I just created, and I'm going to leave it on the default settings, and I'm going to show you it joining a couple, and then that's going to be it. So going to the first group and it's going to click the Ask to Join button. So you'll see in a second here it's going to change. I think it's going to change to pending. And that'll be pretty much it. There it is. So your request has been submitted, completed. The next in 194 seconds. So that's about 3 minutes, a little over 3 minutes. I put a little bit of randomization, plus or minus, I think 15% of whatever the time is. So 180 plus about 15 seconds is within 15%. So it could really go up to about 210 seconds or something like that. What would it be? 18 plus 9, so 27 seconds, plus or minus. So it's going to wait 3 minutes and go to the next group. That's about all. I mean, that's as simple as it gets. It's going to go to the next group and join all the rest of the groups in the list. So, I mean, that really sums it up. There's nothing really else to see. So it's going to join the groups for you. We're going to go to the next video, which is post to groups. So I'm going to stop that. And we'll go to the next. Oh, I mean, yeah, we'll go to the next video.